This is our new pet. We Lovebird. We name Macha. So you can see he is acting in this way. So I'm just wondering, is it asking or wanting from us? Does it want any food? Is it hungry? Or it wants to get out from the cage, giving us a signal to go out? Or he wants someone to come near to talk or play with it, because he used to play with someone. Or is it alerting us that something is wrong inside its cage? Or maybe just simply finding itself out, or simply just playing the cage, the door of the cage. Or maybe perhaps just simply wanting to draw attention to itself from us. Let us know from the comment below. Kapkun crab.